my name is Bubbles. Welcome to In the Buzz. Firstly, for all you lovebirds out there, Rio is having a Valentine's offer using the code LOVE15. Hurry up, this offer ends February 28th. Lime has launched their new app called My Lime, which allows you to manage your postpaid and prepaid account. Big up you, Lime! Hedonism is having a 25% off special for this coming summer and fall. If you need a vacation like myself, Sandals is giving away a 4-day and 3-night vacation. Offer ends March 31st. All aboard! Onboard is giving away a romantic cruise for 2, valued at $1,500 US. The winner gets to choose the date, the destination, and the cruise line. Offer ends February 13th. And that's the buzz. I'm bubbling out, which allows you to I wasn't supposed to. No.